Hi, this is One on Wednesday with Jill O'Connell, and I'm going to visit with you today about some things to think about if you're feeling like your divorce or family law case has gotten stuck because of the coronavirus and COVID-19 restrictions on our courts. This time is coming somewhat to an end because the Denton County courts have been authorized to reopen and start setting some in-person hearings in the courtroom beyond the limited essential ones that they were doing before. However, there is still going to be a backlog. Not everything is going to move as quickly as it once did, and it may never have felt quickly to you, but as quickly as it was, it's not going to get back there right away. So some things to consider are some ways to look at resolving your disputes with your soon-to-be ex-spouse or ex-spouse if it's a family law case, and consider negotiation. The attorneys can negotiate by phone or email and go back and forth, and that they can just use the tools that they have as attorneys to negotiate. Working with your attorney to figure out your goals and perhaps think about resolving through negotiation is the way to begin that process. Let your attorney know. Secondly, mediation. In some circumstances, in-person mediation can now happen, and there's still online mediation. That's always a good option. And that's important because you can even set a mediation for a shorter amount of time if you have some temporary issues that need to be met and you cannot get into the courtroom for a long time. Again, negotiation can also work there. There's also another informal settlement method that can be used if you're on a speaking basis with your ex or soon-to-be ex. And you might be able to sit down and hammer out some ways to resolve the issues that you've got going on in your case. So just here to encourage you, even if you're backlogged, you can't get into the courtroom as soon as you would like to, there are some other means and ways to resolve your case outside of the courtroom. If you've got questions about any of those things, feel free to call me, 972-203-6644. I'm happy to visit with you about all of those methods and or your case if you'd like to. I'm Jill O'Connell. This is One on Wednesday.